Here at the University of Waikato's Management School, we aim to provide our students with practical, real-world business experiences that will supercharge their future careers. We've built work-integrated learning into all of our bachelor's degrees, known as the WIL paper. Whether you're a small business or a larger company, work-integrated learning will give employers access to tomorrow's talent today. Student interns can provide an extra pair of hands to help with new or ongoing projects and inject an organisation with fresh ideas and business solutions. Students are immersed in an organisation for at least 110 hours, where they are supervised to work on a variety of tasks related to their subject majors. It really is a win-win for everyone.
Our experience from AFCO in terms of engaging with the University of Waikato Management School has been great. I mean, the idea of bringing on young people to learn the business world and the insides and outsides of engaging a business has been a very positive experience, I suppose, for them, but more so for us. I mean, the quality of people that you've sent us are just exceptional. The output that they've produced is also great.
Growing up on a farming background, I knew I was always pretty interested in the primary industry, so that's probably what intrigued me about AFCO. So probably one of the key skills was actually working in like a day-to-day business environment, which is something that like a uni textbook can't teach you.
When I look back on my internship journey, I think that I was a much different person from when I started to where I am here, and the main reason for that is lots of personal development that I got out of it. I got like way more confident working with people, like going into rooms to talk to people directly gave me a lot of confidence, which has helped me in like applying for jobs and feeling a lot better about going into a corporate like world just from uni straight into it. It makes the journey a little bit easier.
My internship has been an invaluable experience. I've gained so many different skills and knowledge and stuff, primarily time management, as well as really developing my confidence, communication skills that are necessary for the workplace. Alongside working within the program team, we also got to sit in finance meetings with the CFO and finance manager, which was a really cool opportunity to be able to see some of the different opportunities within a business and the different career paths that I would be able to take.
In terms of recommending it to other organisations to this is an opportunity I think that you don't want to miss. It's really worth doing. I would do it again and again and again. I'd take on more, in fact, if we could. It provided us as AFCO an opportunity to contribute to the community and be able to offer something back, but equally to provide students with the skills and capabilities around connecting the theory that they might be learning at uni to the practice that happens within the business on a day-to-day basis.
I'd highly recommend this experience to anyone that has the opportunity to do it. You learn so much about yourself and learn so much about the potential workplace that you will eventually enter.
If you'd like to get started, please email msc@waikato.ac.nz.